tugarutse muri rya somo ryacu rya chemistry, aho tugiye kureba icyo bita how to balance cyangwa se balancing redox reaction. So redox reaction mu magambo make is the chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Ni igihe oxidation na reduction bibera icyarimwe muri chemical reaction runaka. Urugero, example tuba dufite manganate ions react with iron 2 ions with the presence of acid to produce what we call manganese 2 ions plus iron 3 ions and water. So this is a redox reaction of oxidation and reduction in chemical reaction. So we are going to use what we call a half of equation. You could distribute half of equation balancing in a chemical equation. The half of equation, we have the first half equation, we have manganate ions which produce manganese ions. You know manganese, the reaction could be manganese 2 ions. So oxygen now oxygen always redox reaction need to balance redox reaction. You need to kongeramo oxygen, kongeramo amazi muri product. So we have to add 4 moles of water. So 4 moles of water. So there you have 8 hydrogen. Reactor and hydrogen. So we have to add 4 hydrogen. Have to add plus 4 hydrogen atoms. Plus 4 hydrogen ions or proton. And the electrons actually, and the electrons the electrons 4. So you have to add 8. I beg your pardon, you have to add 8 because we have 8 hydrogen atoms. Of 4 times 2 is going to you have to add 8 hydrogen ions. So here we have, according to charges, we have 2 charges in the product. The reactant have 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. In order to balance the charges, you have to remove 5 electrons here, plus 5 electrons. So this is in your first half equation. Second half equation have iron, which is iron equal to iron 2, iron equal to iron 3. Of iron 2 plus equal to what we call iron 3 plus. You're going to balance the charges of 2 and you have 3, which means plus 1 electron. So you're going to do what we call elimination. You have to check some more to Akubanga, to vanish electrons. And we have to multiply with 5 and we have to multiply with 1. So we're going to sounds good. So we are going to join those two half of the equation. Here we have manganate ions react with 5 moles of iron, 2 ions react with 8 protons plus 5 electrons produce what we call manganese 2 ions plus 5 iron 3 ions plus 5 electrons plus 4 moles of water, and then plus 5 electrons. So electrons are going to eliminate the electrons, and we remain with manganese ions react with 5 moles of iron 2 ions plus 8 hydrogen atoms in acidic medium to produce manganese 2 ions plus 5 iron 3 ions plus 4 moles of water. So we are going to check if our redox reaction is balanced. So we are going to start with atoms. Tujegera kuma atoms, tujegera atoms zimuri reactants zingana atoms zimuri product. One manganese atom, we have 1 manganese atom, we have 4 oxygen atoms, we have 4 oxygen atoms, 4 times 1 is equal to 4. We have 5 atoms of iron 2, we have 5 atoms of iron 3 ions. We have 8 hydrogen ion atom, we have 8 hydrogen atoms, because 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So we resemble atoms, the balanced. So you are going to see, tujye kureba niba charges ziba ziri balanced. Muri reactants dufite 5 times 2, then plus 8 minus 1. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10, plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 18, minus 1 is equal to 17. So resemble charges really zanga zingana 17. Anga muri product dufite 5 times 3 is equal to 5 times 3 is equal to 5 times 3 plus 2. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Round up charges, numeric product is using another time, section the current charges 17. Our redox equation is balanced. So when you go to balance in redox equation, you can retrieve half of equation. So thank you very much for watching my video. We shall continue with another